Okay, now this video is about counting triangle in a figure, counting number of triangle in a figure. These kind of questions are asked in many of the government service exam, in MPSC and in some of the campus placement scenario also. Okay, so let us see a very easy concept. It's a short video of 3 minutes or so. Now suppose you are having this kind of figure. Now this kind of figure can be bifurcated as having layer on base, having layer on horizontal line. Please remember the wording, having layer on horizontal line. So how many layers we have? 1, 2, 3. Or how many cutting we have on the base? 1, 2, 3 cutting, 3 layers. So answer is 3 into 4 upon 2. Answer is 3 into 4 upon 2. If suppose same kind of figure if I draw here and layers I have increased 1, I'm really sorry. Okay, so let us draw one more figure here. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layer. So number of triangle in the entire figure would be 6 into 7 upon 2. So please remember the abbreviation n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2 if layers are to be made on the base of triangle. Now suppose we have making a twist now. Now this kind of figure is asked. Now here we are making cut on slant line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cuts are there on slant line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cuts are there. So if 4 cuts are there on slant line, number of triangle will be 4. Okay, if 4 cuts are there on slant line, number of triangle will be 4. Okay, if such 5 cuts are made, number of triangle will be 5. If 5 cuts are made, number of triangle will be 5. Now let us have a complicated example now. A complicated example. Okay, so this is the figure now. This is the figure. So don't worry, don't panic. Take this as base. Take this as base. So on this base, guys, you have 3 cutting. So n into n plus 1 upon 2 will give you 6 triangle. On this base, again 3 cutting. So 3 into 4 upon 2, 6 triangle, and 3 into 4 upon 2, 6 triangle. So in this figure, guys, in this figure, number of triangle will be 18. Okay, so we have bifurcated on the basis of horizontal base. This base had 3 cutting, 3 into 4 upon 2. This base has 3 cutting, 3 into 4 upon 2. This base has 3 cutting, 3 into 4 upon 2. So we measured them on the basis of horizontal cutting. We measured them on the basis of horizontal cutting. This is exclusively if the cutting are made on vertical line. Okay, here there were no cutting on horizontal line. So if on slant line there are 4 cutting, triangles are 4. That way, guys. Okay, I hope you understood the concept.